is, but it's not. I was trying making it. This was with light green, but today I'm making it with clear green. So what you need is some clear green. Some tints, some shaving cream, and some clay. And your activator with Tide over there. I'm gonna use Tide today. So first, what you wanna do is get your glue. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Get your stream. And I will only be posting on the weekends. Sorry I didn't post on Friday. It's forming for some reason. No. This is forming. It is weird because my bowl was clean. But anyway, I'm gonna put some pink. Messy feet eye. And if you wanna like do something, you can add some butter. But what's going on here to get my apple. So now, oh, and this is the type of clay I'm using. Other than clay, whatever you call it. Add your and look at this guy. Some good bomb slime. And I only put a little bit of activator. I'm gonna call this Barbie Girl because like I made it look creative, but it's a little bit sticky, so like I'll be back. Okay. Now I'm adding my clay. This might be a little long because this clay is like hard to mix in. But I'm making it work. So it's hard about the lightning. My mom won't make me open my blinds. I opened it this morning and she was like, don't open the blind. You know how I am about the blind. So my video gonna be off. Wait, I'm gonna turn my room light on. And you're gonna need lotion. But I don't get why a Japan store